Travel for me is an escape from the monotony of our day-to-day lives that most of us are going through. Like, most people go to their fairly boring job and they come home and they sit on the couch and they watch TV and then they do it all over again. Costa Rica is a breathtaking place. When I look out over a field or you see the mountains in the distance, it just feels inspiring. It helps you realize how good we have it here. And to see how happy people are in other countries with so little is very, very eye-opening. Sometimes it's difficult to get where it is you're going, but I find it's always worth it on the other side. Another great use for the drone is, for example, came to several river crossings. I was able to look ahead to see if there was anything worse, to see if it was even worth crossing the first river, and just to kind of see what's out ahead of you and what you're in for. Waking up on the beach is about as good as it gets. I really can't think of anything better. You just hear the waves crashing and the birds flying overhead. Maybe there's that lone straggler playing with his dog out there. Nothing better. And really, the only thing I'm left wondering is where to go next. I'm Josh, and I was born to travel.